everyone, I am so excited to share with you this comparison, the Solotica Amazonia Green versus Rio Buzios versus Copacabana. So my left eye is the Amazonia Green and my right eye is the Rio Buzios. Wow, both of these lenses are some of Solotica's best lenses, most natural lenses, very realistic, no bug eye effect for either. So if you're looking for an amazing green lens, it's either the Buzios or the Amazonia Green. As you can see, there's quite a difference between these lenses. The Amazonia Green looks brighter. It looks more warm toned, way more of a yellow undertone, and it's more, I would say, of a true green. Whereas if you compare it to the Buzios looks more muted in comparison to the Amazonia Green, more toned down, more subtle, less bright. And I would say it has a little bit more of a blue tone. It almost looks turquoise, which is really surprising because I've always said in all my videos that the Buzios has a yellow undertone, and it really does. But when you compare it to this Amazonia Green, you can't really see it anymore, which is crazy. Both of these lenses are phenomenal. Buzios was and still is one of my most favorite green lenses. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a high quality bright green lens that does not look fake. But now we can add Amazonia Green to this list. Like, look how beautiful this lens is. Look how natural it looks. Look how bright it is without looking fake. I'm just so over the moon that Solotica released this green. It's so beautiful. When you come up close and I zoom in, you'll notice that the Amazonia Green has a little bit more streaks, striations, and patterning as opposed to the Buzios, which has more of a smoother pattern. So again, if you want more depth, dimension, more patterning, you'll probably like the Amazonia. And if you don't, then you'll probably like the Buzios. Next, we have the Amazonia Green on my left eye versus the Rio Copacabana on my right eye. And I just wanted to throw this into the mix because I do recall saying the Amazonia Green seemed more cool tone than the Buzios, but I don't think that's the case actually. I think it's more warm tone than the Buzios, so my mistake. But as you can see, in terms of brightness, these two look very similar, but in person, the Copacabana is slightly brighter. I think the Amazonia Green suits both medium and dark brown eyes, whereas the Copacabana is more suited for dark brown eyes in my opinion. They're both very natural green lenses. They both have excellent pupil hole designs, feathered, well-blended pupil holes. It's just really the color that differs because Copacabana is so bright. That's why I'm more recommending it for very dark brown eyes. And then again, the patterning is a little bit different. I really, really adore the Amazonia Green patterning. I think it's very realistic and there's just enough play up with the pattern, the streaks and striations for it to still look natural but give it more depth. And then the Copacabana is the classic smooth Solotica one color gradient patterning. In terms of price and comfort, Amazonia Green is extremely comfortable, you guys. So if any of you had problems with Buzios and comfort, try Amazonia Green. It's a lot thinner of a lens, really comfortable. I can wear this lens for 12 hours, no problem. And it is $45 US with my discount code Danica10. And then the Copacabana and the Buzios are about $80 US on Solotica.com. I'll link all pairs below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this comparison. And if you want to see the best Solotica colors from the Hydrocore and Rio collection, I'll link it in the end screen right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!